attic. So we got a no cool call. Basically the blower's not coming on, but the condenser is. Sitting on 2x4s. Looks like that's brick. Well, no, it's 2x4s. Yeah, so we're gonna open this up and see what's going on. So, oh yeah, and it's 10:30 at night, so emergency call. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so we got our jumpers between R and G. We're gonna go ahead and try to start up the fan and see what happens. Alright, fan's not spinning. So we'll start with the obvious. We're going to check that capacitor, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're checking our capacitor. It's a 10 microfarad. It's at 9.4, so that should be enough for it to start up. So we might have a bad blower motor. Oh boy, hopefully I have one on the truck. So anyway, I'm going to get the capacitor back on, and I'll show you a quick, easy way of testing your blower motor. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect one of the lines to the blower, the hot line, not the neutral, and we're going to remove the wires off the door switch that goes to the board. And so you want to leave your line voltage, so that's going to be this bottom one here. Okay, and we'll set that aside so it's not touching nothing. And then we're going to plug our blower motor into that. Make sure you unplug the furnace first when you do this so you don't get shocked. Alright, now what we're going to do is go ahead and plug in our furnace. And if the motor's good, when we push down the door switch, it should come on. So here we go. Okay, so the blower motor is working. So now that means our circuit board's probably bad, which is really unfortunate considering that definitely don't have one of these, so we're not going to be able to make the fix tonight. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test the board. So the prong that was plugged into, we're going to go ahead and see if we're getting voltage, see what's going on. Maybe it was a loose connection. Who knows? But anyway, we're going to get this all hooked up the way, so don't forget, unplug it before you mess with the door switch. Okay, so what we did is we have our meter set to voltage, and we hooked up our alligator clips. I got it on neutral, and I have it on the cooling tap for the blower motor. We're going to see if we're getting voltage, just to verify it's actually the board. So for all we know, it could just been a loose connection. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. Condenser came on, and we have no voltage. Oh. Yep, no voltage. So it did click, but yeah, we should be getting 120 volts. I'll go ahead and pop that back on there, and we will try it one last time. Now remember, we know for a fact that the motor's fine, so yeah, we might have to do some wonky stuff to get this to work. So at least till we can come back and replace the board. Because the whole idea for an emergency call is you want to try to get it up and running tonight, but we'll see. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try it again. We're going to wait like 2 minutes because the compressor just came on. I don't want to slug the compressor. So we'll be back once we're ready to start this up. Okay, let's try it again. So yeah, this is done. Donezo. So yeah, we got a bad circuit board. I can hear the relay engage, but the contacts are probably burnt out, so oh boy. Alrighty then. Well, we'll go ahead and put this back together, and we'll talk to our client and see what's up. But we're going to go ahead and check the condenser first. So this is from 1998. It's pretty old, installed poorly. So we're going to go ahead and just check the whole system. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to replace this board. We got factory authorized part number 325878-751, OEM replacement. Always preferred when doing these things. Universal boards are just a lot of trouble, but that's just me. So we're going to take a look, make sure we remember where all these wires go, but it's pretty simple. These are just extras, so they're on park. So we got black for cool, we got blue for heat, and then it looks like brown is our common, so pretty much standard colors. And then for our condenser, white is yellow and red is common. So I'm going to get this swapped out. So. We're going to push in our door switch. And we have fan. We're going to go ahead and make sure our heat works. R to W. No worries about that. That's a carrier thing, so it's a 1 flash and a 2 flash. That's just saying that it's whenever you call for heat and you just engage power, it's going to run the fan for 90 seconds. Okay, inducers come on. The pressure switch will close, and then we'll get hot surface igniter, and then gas valve, flame sensor detects flame, and then fan. There's our gas. Got ignition. We're just going to make sure that the fan comes on, and then we'll cycle it off. Alright, we have blower. So now normally you want to just disconnect your wires from the from the circuit board. That way it'll cool itself down, but I'm going to be running the air, so I don't have to worry about an overheat. So we're going to go ahead and cycle our cooling. So we're going to go R to Y. And let's see if we hear a refrigerant. Yep, I hear refrigerant, and there goes our fan. Yeah, we're back up and running. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.